Hello, this is a HPM806 enterprise printer. So today I'll show you how to replace the fuser unit of this particular printer. To do that, you are going to get access to the door on the left hand side. So to be able to do that, I will just shift this so that the camera can be able to view the part that we're working on. So you are going to open the door on the left hand side of this particular printer. This door, okay, I'm coming, let me zoom it a bit. Okay, so this door is the door that houses the duplexer and the fuser unit. You're going to open it gently, and then this is the duplexer. You can see this green tab on the right hand side. I'm going to gently pull it, and then I'll pull out the duplexer. The duplexer is out. You need to remove the duplexer before you remove the fuser unit. You remember that. Now I'll go over to the fuser unit. Now to remove this fuser unit, you have this blue tab on each end of the fuser unit. One is on the right hand side and the other is on the left hand side. So you're going to push it down. Remember, you have to push it down before you be able to remove it. Because I push it down, I can remove the fuser unit easily right now. So the reason why I want to remove this fuser unit is because I want to service it. When the printer starts, I can hear this kind of clicking sound when the printer is initializing, so I need to check out the fuser unit to be sure that everything is okay there.